Hello dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss about written advocacy. This is regarding the Moot Court competitions. So we will discuss written advocacy in that framework. Before this lecture, we are done with two lectures on legal research. Today, this is the third one. Before going to the written advocacy, we have to know what is moot problem. First step towards preparation is moot problem. A moot problem is assigned to a team by a mooting society. Read many times that moot problem which is assigned to you if you can. Divide issues among the team members. In every moot problem, there are certain issues which you have to divide in your team members. Two sides. There are many two sides in moot problem. First is appellant and second one is the respondent. And then moot is judged by two aspects by the judges. First aspect is on the behalf of written advocacy that how the arguments are fixed in that memoranda and how with which kind of authorities they are put in that so. And the second, the ground is oral advocacy, which regarding that oral advocacy we will make another different lecture. Now, what's written advocacy? A step before oral advocacy is known as written advocacy. When a case is assigned to a team, then that team has to find that what are the facts of the case. सबसे पहले आपको find करने होंगे facts of the case and what are the issues which have to be solved. And then issues facts जो है वो पूरी स्टोरी एक लिखी हुई होती है और उसके नीचे issues दिए होते हैं जो कि कोर्ट आपको कहती है कि now you have to work out on these issues. तो issues को भी फाइंड करना होता है. अब बढ़ते हैं मेकिंग ऑफ मेमोरेंडा जो कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है रिलेटिंग टू written advocacy. When a team is done with moot problem, it has to go with forming a memoranda. Memoranda को memorial भी कहा जाता है, which shall contain the ingredients of oral round. Oral round के यहाँ पहुंचने से पहले you have to first make a memoranda, which is known as written advocacy. How a memoranda is to be framed out subject to the rules provided by a mooting society. So now here are certain rules. These rules are provided to or commanded to a what we can say a team, and that team has to follow mostly these rules. There can be different, yes, but mostly usually these rules are given. First is the cover page. What will be the cover page? Name of forum, title of competition, name of the case. Inshallah, in the coming lectures, we will discuss a case regarding that moot court also. Title of memorial means memoranda. What's the title of that? So then the team code on upper right corner. Then don't mention names of team members. These are the rules. And further, there are different rules we'll discuss. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon also. Further, the rules are table of contents, index of authorities. Authorities means your case law chapter, list of abbreviations, a statement of jurisdiction, that in what is the jurisdiction of the court before which you are filing your case, summary of facts, a statement of issues, which are the issue. Now, what are the issues which are provided in the case? Now, you have to give the statement, a simple statement of those issues. Summary of arguments, not more than one paragraph. Arguments advanced, which are supported by submission. We will discuss all these things one by one in different lectures, and I'll put the legal authority which support. These can be the case laws or the laws. Different. Then the prayer means the relief claim. Which relief now do you want? Thank you guys. As the topic is, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this my video and channel both. May God bless you. Khuda Hafiz.